Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product analysis and reviews.
In today's episode, we'll be taking a closer look at the SRhonyra Radeon RX 590 GME 8GB GDDR5 graphics card for PC gaming.
We'll dive into its features, specifications, and overall performance to help you decide if this graphics card is the right choice for your gaming setup.
The SRhonyra Radeon RX 590 GME is designed for gamers seeking excellent performance. It features 2304 stream processors and 8GB GDDR5 RAM running at 1750 MHz, allowing for faster FPS and improved gaming performance. This card is perfect for those who want a smooth gaming experience without breaking the bank. The graphics card is equipped with two powerful semi-automatic intelligent fans and a premium pure copper heat pipe. These cooling components efficiently transfer heat away from the GPU, ensuring that your PC remains at optimal temperatures during intense gaming sessions. The result? A graphics card that keeps its cool while delivering top-notch gaming performance. The RX 590 GME offers versatility with 3 output ports: HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, and DVI. You can connect up to 3 displays simultaneously, making it an ideal choice for multitasking or creating a dynamic gaming and work setup. This flexibility can significantly enhance your overall computing experience. Whether you're upgrading your existing graphics card or building a new gaming PC, the SRhonyra RX 590 GME offers excellent value for your money. It's an affordable option that doesn't compromise on performance, making it suitable for both gaming enthusiasts and everyday users. It's a budget-friendly way to enjoy quality graphics. The AMD Radeon RX 590 GME is a dual-slot width graphics card that fits into a PCIe 3.0x16 slot. It requires an additional 6-pin power connector and has a maximum power consumption of 150 watts. This ensures that the card has the necessary power to deliver its performance without overloading your system. The graphics card is designed for use in the US, so international customers may need adapters or converters for compatibility. If you have any questions or issues with the product, SRhonyra provides product support, and they promise to respond to inquiries within 24 hours. In summary, the SRhonyra Radeon RX 590 GME is a budget-friendly graphics card that offers solid gaming performance, efficient cooling, and versatility in display options.
If you're looking for a reliable graphics card that won't break the bank, this could be an excellent choice for your gaming setup. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.